Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something different from my past videos. It's basically going to be almost the same as the keyboard that I did last week Friday. So today we will be looking at unboxing and reviewing the iPhone 4S. That is actually like one of the oldest Apple phones you can get. Now this phone does have 16 gigabytes of storage. Also, that was the biggest thing in those days. And before I actually take the whole thing off, it was iCloud, because back then iCloud wasn't really a thing until like iPhone 4 and that. But yeah, so this has been in my house for a while, so I said why not review it. So here's the phone. And let me just slowly take this out. There's nothing really much in the box except for the thing here. This is supposed to be all like your accessories and all that. The main story guide. Okay, so let's put this aside. So here's the iPhone 4S. You can kind of see the reflection of my phone there. And it does have a glass back, which was basically like the start of the iPhone 11, or from the iPhone 8, which I'm using right now to record, to the iPhone 11 Pro Max, or the latest iPhone, which is the iPhone SE, second generation. So this was basically like the start of the glass back for your phones. And this is actually really smooth, as you can see. So the camera is basically like right in, and it's not too bad with the length or how thin it is, but the size of it is quite small. So we switch it on, and also I didn't update the time properly, but I'm gonna try to flip this because it is a bit, so this will look different for you guys. Then we can just swipe. We can put in a password I just randomly put to unlock. And yeah, the iPhone is still working, decent quality. Camera works perfectly. As you can see, it's nothing too bad. It does have HDR, which is surprising, a big surprise, but otherwise this phone is not bad at all. Let's go to like YouTube, because I can't install YouTube on this phone because of how outdated this phone is. So here's my channel. Please subscribe because it will help me do more videos. But otherwise, yeah, it's not bad. So let's test the audio with one of my latest videos on the Tesla.
Hi, welcome back to another video. Now today's video is going to be a bit different, but not really different because it's technology and that's one of the things I do. And I mean,
it's decent quality. To think that this was a very old phone from the past and it still works decently. Now this phone does include the headphone jack, which a lot of people miss, but otherwise, yeah, the phone's not bad. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below what you want to see next, and see you guys in the next video. Hope you all have a great day and be safe. Bye.